doing, folks? We're back here with another episode. Sorry, I hope y'all enjoyed that episode of Outdoor Cooking with Rob a while ago. For that Winnie Souffle Saute Supreme Cordon Bleu we had. It's pretty good. Ate it a while ago. Pretty good. And we'll make a little plug here. A little bit of my excuse me. A little bit of my butane romaine super hot burn your booty hole hot sauce. It's got habanero peppers and jalapenos and motor oil and kerosene and all kind of stuff in there. It's pretty hot. Pretty tasty though. What's got? You gotta be careful, love. Woo. Excuse me. When you eat this stuff, it tends to give you some gaseous pains in your lower regions right down here. And Outdoor Cooking with Rob ain't gonna be responsible for no hazards in public areas and whatnot. And when you eat this stuff, you need to make sure you make sure you keep some toilet paper handy and whatnot. And oh, excuse me, tends to give you bowels quite a difficulty. And oh goodness, oh goodness, here we go. Oh!
You all right?
Oh.
You okay?
Oh, goodness. Oh.
I told you not to eat so much of that.
Butane romaine sulfate. Available at Winn-Dixie. And that's about it. 797.
Just be careful.
Be careful, yeah.